In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur video in Canva. Blurring part or all of a video is really useful when you want to hide sensitive information, draw attention to a specific subject, or create a soft, aesthetic background. Canva makes this process simple, even if you're completely new to video editing. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're inside a Canva design that already has a video on the canvas. This could be a social media post, a presentation slide, or any custom sized design. Once your video is in place, click on it to make sure it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline or handles around the video. Now, look over to the left-hand side of your Canva workspace and click on the Elements tab. This is where Canva keeps shapes, graphics, frames, and a lot of visual effects that you can use in your design. Once you've opened the Elements panel, go up to the search bar at the top of that panel. In the search bar, type the word blur. Canva will now show you different blur-related options. Depending on your version, you might see blur shapes, blur gradients, or graphics that have soft, hazy edges. These are designed to act like blur overlays that you can place on top of your video. Take a moment to scroll through and choose a blur element that matches the style you want. Some might be circular, some rectangular, and others more abstract or gradient based. When you've found one you like, move your cursor over it, then click, hold, and drag it onto your design, directly over your video. Then drop it where you want the blur effect to appear. Once it's on the canvas, you can resize the blur element by dragging the corners in or out, and reposition it by clicking and dragging it around. Place it over the exact area of the video that you want to obscure or soften. You can also duplicate the blur element if you need to cover more than one part of the video. When you're happy with how it looks, play back your video inside Canva to make sure the blur sits correctly over the entire clip. If needed, adjust the size or position again until it aligns just right. And that's all you need to blur video in Canva using simple blur elements.